Oh my god, this is crazy. In less than 1 hour, this trailer already received 1 million views. Hello everybody, welcome to Tanu's Cine Bites, and today we are having a trailer reaction for one of the most anticipated movies of this year. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. It's Kalki. I forgot the years, but it's Kalki 2898 AD, I believe. It has a huge ensemble cast of only star actors from Prabhas, Amitabh Bachchan, Deepika Padukone, and Kamal Hassan, and many more. So let's go right into the trailer. I know the trailer has been released in a couple of languages. I'm going to choose the Hindi one, which would be more convenient for me. It looks like a desert, barren land.
इस दुनिया का पहला शहर
Vijayanati movies.
इस वर्ल्ड का आखिरी शहर काशी
Kashi, okay. It's giving me Salar vibes.
ऊपर पानी है
पूरी दुनिया से सब
Okay,
छीन
wow.
लेगा तो सब कुछ तो होगा ही
बाकी अगर कुछ है तो सिर्फ कॉम्प्लेक्स है। भगवान एक ही सुप्रीम यास्किन।
पता
And
है,
Dune
कितने लोगों
vibes.
को बचा सकते हो
Amitabh Bachchan!
केवल एक ये
Okay.
6000
He's
साल
holding a
पहले
gem.
देखा था।
वो शक्ति वापस आ गई है, यानी
अब रोशनी आने का समय आ गया है
रोशनी आने का समय आ गया है. माँ? Mother? Yay! Deepika Padukone! Okay, this he's having the gemstone on his head.
आपने अपनी गर्भ में एक भगवान को स्थान दिया है मैं पहचानूंगा हर हालत में रोकना ही होगा सुबह सुबह ये लड़ाई झगड़ा क्यों बची
Prabhas!
अच्छा
Woohoo!
सपना देख रहा था
He'll always be Bahubali for me.
1 मिलियन यूनिट्स है क्या तेरे पास?
कुछ नहीं बचा
Oh my god, look at that armor.
के लिए आप हीरो जैसे मेरे साथ आ जाओ
यूनिट ज्यादा मिलेगा क्या
Who's that?
तुम्हें सिर्फ खुद से प्यार है भैरवा
This girl? Okay.
दुनिया में बस एक ही साइड होती है
Bhairava.
खुद की साइड
Buji.
हाय
Wait, I'm so confused.
वो लड़की मुझे चाहिए।
पॉइंट ये है कि मैं ही हूँ जो उससे ला सकता हूँ
इतना श्योर है?
रिकॉर्ड चेक कर रहा हूँ मैं आज तक एक फाइट नहीं आ रहा हूँ
This armor is
जंग
crazy.
फिर से शुरू हो गई है
ये भी नहीं हारूंगा
This feels like a backstory. Oh my god. Shobana! Okay, wow.
जिसने अपनी पहली सांस तक नहीं ली वो इतनी आखिरी सांसों का कारण कैसे हो सकता है
जिसने अब तक सांस नहीं ली.
डरो मत
That's Kamal Hassan.
एक नया युग आ रहा है
Oh my god, that is Kamal Hassan. Okay. Everything is combined into this movie. Fantastic. One word, fantastic. Okay, let me calm down a bit and let me try to collect my thoughts about the trailer. So there is Ashwathama that's played by Amitabh Bachchan, and I know from the Mahabharat story, Ashwathama was actually the son of Dronacharya, and he had superpowers, and he was born with a gem on his head which made him almost superhuman like, superhero like, and later he's cursed by Krishna and the gem is removed from his forehead and he's cursed for immortality. So in the trailer I'm seeing both of this. I see Amitabh Bachchan with the gem, and then I see in the beginning when he's speaking to a child without the gem. So I believe there is the backstory flashback we're definitely going to see. When he's speaking with the character Ma, that's played by Deepika Padukone, you can see she's pregnant. And Ma, it's very simple. She's the mother. Mother of whom? That is the point. I'm not too aware of Hindu gods and their stories. So maybe you can help me understand this even better by giving me suggestions in the comments below. But I see Ashwathama's character with Ma when he still has the gem, definitely a flash story. And Prabhas is also interacting with them at the same time. So I believe all that scenes you saw from the trailer has to be part of a backstory. And so later when you see Amitabh Bachchan talking to that small kid, he does not have the gem on his forehead and he's looking more old, deranged, and like he's having bandages around him, which very much fits with the curse Krishna gave him that he would be deceased, no one would take care of him, but he would live forever. And I saw that cameo by Shobana. Oh, this is going to be really good. Sorry, I cannot collect my thoughts. It's like so much happened in that few minutes. I'm so curious to see why they chose the city as Kashi. Is it because it's called the city of death, or is there some other elements to it, Prabhas' character is called Bhairav, and what I know of the name Bhairav or Sri Bhairav is that he is a form of Shiva. So I'm sure that is what we're going to see from Prabhas' character. This name was not randomly chosen. So giving this name means taking on that identity of the most fierce version of Shiva. Other than that, of course, I saw the teaser with Buji and I'm excited to see that rapport and that banter with Buji. It does give me feelings of Star Wars. And then I see a lot of amazing technology being used, whether it's in the shape of those cars, which gave me feelings of 2014 Blade Runner and also Transformers. So definitely the dystopian vibe is evident. I love the CGI to an extent. I'll definitely have to see more of it to know how good it is, because to be honest, Bahubali has really set the standards high when it came to CGI work in India. And of course, we know what a flop the Ramayana movie CGI was with Ravana's 10 heads, and oh, what a disaster it was. So I still can't talk about the CGI, but everything overall looks pretty good. I'm so curious about who is the guy that Prabhas is working for, and Prabhas is given the task of capturing Deepika Padukone's character. I wonder who that character is. His name was not given, but sure he's a leader or he's a high commander. This much is obvious. Also, I'm very curious, what is Kamal Hassan's role in this movie? But I'm sure it's something of like real importance and something crucial for the movie. Great to see Amitabh Bachchan in action. This man has crossed over 80 years, but just the way he's performing, it definitely is like something amazing to watch. For now, that's it. Really excited to watch this. I'm definitely going to see it, and probably I would see it in Hindi. I don't know what you thought about the trailer. Let me know. Was it better in its original language, Telugu? Let me know about that as well. Until next time, take care. Ciao, ciao.